This is Flying Wolf on healthcare, the need for healthcare reform. I'm a 60-year-old woman. I don't have any healthcare insurance because I cannot afford it. I eat up mostly half my paycheck every 2 weeks, and they've shortened our hours. Also, the only way I can afford it, well, I can't afford it anyhow. Also, the deductible is $3,000, which I cannot afford. So I'm sitting here with sometimes having pains in my chest. I can't go to the doctor to check out because it's going to take me 5 more years if I live that long in order to get Medicaid. Now, they call themselves Blue Dog Democrats, and Republicans don't want a public health care option because it would, hurt the insurance companies. What have the insurance companies done for anybody? Yeah, you pay through your nose, your eyes and your toes to get, be able to go to a doctor or hospital when you need to. Then when the doctor gets you, what do they want? They want you to go every week. Not because you have to, because they get money for it. There needs to be health care reform. There needs to be something that, if you're sick, you can go to the doctor or the hospital if you have to have something done, but not have somebody, get you tied into something that you don't want to do or medicines you can't take that make you feel even worse because, they're making more money. They can, get reimbursed for it. And to pay for health care reform, rich don't want to be overburdened with taxes. Well, they've been underburdened with taxes ever since George W. Bush came in and cut taxes for rich people. There are more people making over $1 million than there ever was in the U.S., and they're paying less and less taxes. So, they can pay for it. They've been riding the gravy train for the past 8 years. So, they can start paying their dues. The rest of us pay our dues and everybody else's dues. It's about time for the rich people to pay dues. How'd they get rich in the first place? Except on the backs of the poor. Except by making more and more people poor. By having for-profit everything that used to be non-profit. And just gouging people for money. And putting us in some kind of slavery just in order to live. Which is just evil beyond evil. Well, this is Flying Wolf. I don't know how much longer I'll be here. I'm making my plea for health care reform and for the public option. Thank you.